A more advanced version of the forward roll, in which a dynamic takeoff extends the flight phase before the hands touch the floor to continue the roll, is called the dive roll. From a run-up, perform a 1 to 2 foot hurdle, bringing the legs slightly forward while swinging the arms upward. Use a strong, dynamic takeoff, and maintain the hollow position during the flight phase. As the hands contact the floor, continue rolling, just like in a regular forward roll. This is how the dive roll looks in full speed, shown from the side and the front. To perform this skill, the key requirements are maintaining the hollow body shape, a dynamic takeoff, including from a short run-up with a 1 to 2 foot hurdle, and of course, a solid forward roll. Step 1 in achieving the dive roll. Start with a forward roll from a half squat. Shift your weight forward and push off strongly to roll onto a distant mat. Gradually increase the distance between the mats until you can roll over a distance roughly equal to your straight sit. Step 2. Build height by adding a small obstacle to jump over during the roll. At this stage, the obstacle should be lower than hip height. Step 3. Add the hurdle jump. Begin with a short pause after the hurdle. Then progress to performing the roll continuously without stopping. Step 4. Add the walk-up. Take a few steps forward to perform the hurdle and then the forward roll in one smooth motion. Step 5. Add the run-up. Adjust the setup so that the hurdle is longer, the obstacle allows visibility of the landing spot, and the landing is on a slightly raised mat stack. As progress is made, gradually reduce the number of mats used for landing. Step 6. Perform the full dive roll. In addition to the usual mistakes seen in the regular forward roll, watch out for 3 main issues that often appear in the dive roll. First, stopping after the hurdle. Solution: practice the run-up to straight jump and the roll itself after several dynamic bounces, adjusting the height of the mats. Second, tucking in the air, causing the body to over-rotate. Solution: practice rolling to a straight sitting position while keeping the knees extended. Third, dropping the arms and placing them on the mat during the hurdle. Solution: add an obstacle that forces the arms to stay raised. That's all about the dive roll. Practice safely and good luck.